So we got this situation to handle. If f of x equals to this, then f of x. So you know that you have to go through f of x, means you have to apply f function once. This question also can be converted into f of n times, and then n can be any integer. Suppose it is 20, 25, 20, 27, like these kind of numbers they can play with. So the idea is how we will handle this situation. So first try to find out the pattern. First you have to find out f of x and try to get the pattern. You can go through this thing twice, thrice and 4 times. Right now you can ignore this part because in one go only you will get the result done. But look at this. Suppose that we have f of x as a minus x power n power 1 by n. Now we have to find out f of x. So twice. So in place of x we have to replace f of x. So it is a minus f of x power n and then power 1 by n. Let's do the manipulation. So we will be left with a minus, who is f of x? F of x is a minus x power n power 1 by n, and then power is n and whole power is 1 by n. Okay, so this is your f of x. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now power to the power, it will be multiplied and it will be neutralized. So we will be left with a minus a plus x power n power 1 by n. So this thing neutralized, we will be left with x power n power 1 by n. So we got f of x as x. Now look at the point I am trying to convey. So if you will apply f 2 times, you will get x. 3 times you will get f of x, because you will be replacing x with f of x. And if you will go with 4 times, again you will get x. 5 times you will get f of x. 6 times you will get x. So I want to tell you that if you are applying f of even number of times, we will be getting x when n is even. Okay, so if you are applying n for even number of times, it is this thing x, or if it will be f of x if n is odd. Okay, this is n times. I hope you got the idea, and whenever you will handle these kind of situation, you can handle accordingly. Okay.